Hello students, one more interesting sum of matrix. If A equal to minus 7, 5, minus 10, 7, we have to find A to the power 2000. Let us apply special trick here. Let us make characteristic equation of this matrix. The trick is, if A equal to A, B, C, D, that is the matrix of order 2, and suppose we have to find A to the power n, where n equal to multiple of 2. Now the characteristic equation is lambda square minus trace of A into lambda plus determinant A equal to 0. What is trace of A? Trace of A is sum of diagonal elements, that is here A plus D. Now for this matrix, trace of A equal to minus 7 plus 7, so equal to 0. And what is determinant A? Equal to minus 7 into 7 minus 5 into minus 10, so minus 49 plus 50, so you get 1 here. Now characteristic equation of this matrix, A square minus trace of A, that is 0, into A plus determinant A, that is 1, into I equal to null. So we get A square equal to minus I, and we have to find A to the power 2000, so A square power 1000 equal to minus I to the power 1000. So we get A to the power 2000 equal to I. Now one more sum, if A equal to 537, minus 5, find A to the power 500. Let us apply the same trick here. So trace of A equal to 5 minus 5, that is 0, and determinant A equal to 5 into minus 5, that is 25, minus 3 into 7, that is 21, so minus 46. Now characteristic equation of this matrix, A square minus trace of A, that is 0, into A plus determinant A, that is minus 46, into I equal to null. So we get A square equal to 46 into I, and we have to find A to the power 500, so A square to the power 250 equal to 46 to the power 250 into I to the power 250. So we get A to the power 500 equal to 46 to the power 250 into I to the power 250, that is I.